Guess what this week is?
Community unity, trunk or treat, pumpkins on parade.
Holy cow, that's a lot going on here at WYE. Let's break it down.
This week is Community Unity Week. You can bring ramen, mac and cheese, canned veggies, and Clorox wipes. Remember, you can dress up for Spirit Week during while you donate.
Don't forget to bring donations for trunk or treat, and make sure to only go through the line once. That's showing integrity. Can't wait to see all of your costumes.
Finally, pumpkins on parade. Can't wait to see all the pumpkins. Bulldogs, remind your adults to check out the WYE-BBTV Facebook page for voting.
Wow, we're going to be busy today. Let's make this a great week, Bulldogs.